So this video is pretty self-explanatory. All you're gonna need is just a cup of rice, a cup of water, and a bowl, and some patience, really. So pretty much what you do is just take a cup of rice and put that in a bowl, and then take a cup of water and put that in the bowl as well. And then for this, I use jasmine rice. You can use any kind of rice, it doesn't really matter. And then I just took my fingers and I just like mix that together, swirl that in there together, and then I just let that sit for about 24 hours. And then once it's done, after the 24 hours, you just take the water and then just drain it out of the rice and put that in like a spray bottle. My spray bottle was being used for something else, so I just put it in like a plastic cup, and then I just toss the rice. And I only keep my rice water for about a week just because it does start to smell. And you can use like essential oils to like put in the water just to get rid of the smell, but I didn't really feel like it was necessary because I only use it like once a week, really. And then when I do use it, I use the entire mixture that I made and I let that soak into my hair as kind of like a treatment, and then I rinse that out. And then I just make like another one for like the next week or whenever I feel like I actually want to do like a rice water treatment. But it definitely helps for hair growth. And if you're looking to have your hair grow fast and be really healthy, then this definitely is like a good old quote unquote remedy for hair growth.
Twenty-four hours later.